Hello guys, today's our topic is how to start a custom PC, build a business. Next, reason why you should build a PC. Building a PC allow for easier upgrade. You will have a superior cooling system. Building a PC gives you a skill you will forever. No more waiting for a tech support. Building a PC element bloatware. Building a PC gives your better warranties. Next, building a PC gives your better warranties. Building a computer teaches your responsibility. Building a PC sharpens your problem solving skill. You join an elite community when building a PC. Next,
रोहित तारोच्या
Mute.
start. Start.
hello मच्छी तारू
Build business by following steps. There is more to starting a business than just registering it with the state. We have to put together this simple guide to start your currency trading business. Next, plan your business. A clean plan is essential for success and enterprise. It will help to map out the specific of your business and discover some unknown. Who is your target? Who is your target market? How long it will be take your break even? What will your name your business? Next, niche and grow rich. If you can penetrate a niche market, for instead grammar, accountant, lawyer, doctor, or government and educational, you can develop a very lower custom base. One of the largest custom bases retained in the southern part of the US. There are uh, there, there are penetrated of physicians who may not be able to afford to hire a full-time PT, IT. Next,
okay so partner up by teaming up with another solution provider who can offer a variety of complementary services to your professional palette. You will increase your chances for success. For instance, if you can build a computer plus load a particular type of software, then team up with another solution provider who can provide certain skills that you don't possess. You will bring more to the table when trying to land a client. Being able to offer an array of services will be more attractive to smaller businesses, clients that have 2 to 15 computers per office. Now, finding a reputable distributor. Why waste your time buying component part, assembling and testing machine, loading operating machines, and then delivering them to customers, which can take several hours that customers aren't going to be willing to pay for, especially when they don't can opt for buy an off-the-shelf model instead. Instead, use the virtual fulfillment centers like uh, normal custom PC, okay, website, which enables you to offer customers a made-to-order unit and frees you to up to tackle more profitable lines of businesses, including maintenance, setup, and support. Of course, don't overstock. Never buy more parts than you need to fill an order. Advises Maurice Rosendale, author of Start Your Own Computer Business. New hardware is being released every month, and even if your customers don't push you for the latest thing, the emergence for new products causes the prices of older products to fall as vendors who bought in quantity to get discounts try to unload them. So,
Shop around. When searching for distributor to buy from, price is the name of the game. The commodities are basically the same. Microsoft of operating system, Intel for processor and motherboards, and the Western Digital for hardware. And since the warranty and the defective merchandise return process you offer your client can only be as a good as a product manufacturers. Choose wisely whom you from strategical deal with. Next. Make your business model a custom centric one. One goal is to find out to make our customers life better with our unit. We load special software on your machines that can back up and support your system from remote login. If you don't know how to burn a DVD, you can go and log in our website, and we will automatically take over your computer and do it for you. Quick tech support is also a plus. If someone has to wait an hour and a half on a phone for a tech support, he will never going to back again. In customer service, we look for honesty and friendliness and people who will go, go out of their way to help a customer.
Now, follow the law. If you purchase a part from out of the state, you won't be charged sales tax. But when you purchase a part within the state where your business is run, you will need to register with the state and get a reseller tax ID. Visit government website for more information on the legal requirements on your particular state. Now, respect your vendor's return policies. Returning a merchandise for any reasons to vendor requires that you first obtain a return merchandise authorization claim. You have to adapt yourself to process of the vendor to obtain the RMA, usually through exchanging the faxes or going online. Once you have the RMA, you can ship the product out to the address they given you. If you have a good relationship with the vendor, you might ask for the cross shipment, in which they send you a replacement part based on your word that you are sending as their defective part out of the simulation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.